Welcome to our discussion on bureaucracy and development administration. We'll explore their roles and significance in socio-economic development. Bureaucracy is a formal administrative structure with non-elected officials implementing laws and policies. It is vital in development administration, focusing on planning and managing development programs in countries like Nepal. This structured, rule-based system supports socio-economic development, particularly in post-colonial or developing contexts. Max Weber, a German sociologist, introduced the concept of an ideal bureaucracy. He viewed it as a rational and efficient organizational form, emphasizing structured processes and clear hierarchies to enhance effectiveness. Bureaucracies operate on key assumptions. A clear hierarchy ensures authority, rules standardize actions, and decisions are impartial. Recruitment is merit-based, emphasizing qualifications. Task specialization boosts efficiency, while professionalism ensures bureaucrats are trained and career-focused. Bureaucracy ensures stability, order, and rule of law, promoting efficiency and predictability in service delivery. However, it faces criticism for being too rigid and hierarchical, lacking innovation and responsiveness, and potentially leading to red tape and corruption. The neo-Weberian state represents an evolution of Weberian bureaucracy tailored for modern governance. Emerging in Europe during the late 20th century, it adapts traditional bureaucratic principles to contemporary needs, ensuring relevance in today's administrative landscape. The neo-Weberian state retains a rule-based hierarchical structure while emphasizing citizen orientation and service quality. It integrates private sector managerial techniques and promotes partnerships with civil society. This approach balances classical bureaucracy with new public management, fostering professionalism, accountability, and innovation. Digital bureaucracy involves integrating information and communication technology into bureaucratic functions. This approach aims to streamline processes, enhance efficiency, and improve service delivery by leveraging digital tools. E-governance platforms like the Nagarik app facilitate online service delivery and digital record keeping. Automation and artificial intelligence enhance transparency and efficiency, reducing corruption and delays. However, challenges include the digital divide, cybersecurity threats, and limited digital literacy within bureaucracy. Welcome to our discussion on the role of bureaucracy in policy formulation, implementation, and development. We'll explore how bureaucrats contribute to shaping and executing policies effectively. Bureaucrats play a crucial role in policy formulation by offering technical expertise and data, drafting proposals, and conducting feasibility studies. They advise political leaders and conduct public consultations. In Nepal, ministries such as the Ministry of Federal Affairs and General Administration and the National Planning Commission depend on bureaucrats for essential policy inputs. Bureaucracy plays a crucial role in policy implementation by translating laws into actionable programs, managing budgets, and coordinating with stakeholders. They monitor and evaluate programs effectively. In Nepal, bureaucrats implement development initiatives such as rural roads, health outreach, and agricultural extension through local units. Development functions encompass administrative development to enhance public institutions' efficiency, nation building for unity and stability, and service delivery for essential services like health and education. Additionally, they involve a regulatory role to enforce laws and innovation to integrate information and communication technology and reforms into governance. Bureaucracy in Nepal's development administration faces significant challenges. Political interference undermines neutrality and efficiency. Corruption and lack of accountability weaken public trust and service delivery. Capacity gaps exist as many local bureaucrats lack necessary skills. Historical over-centralization reduces flexibility for local needs, while resistance to change hinders innovation. Nepal's reform measures include performance-based promotions and capacity building through the Nepal Administrative Staff College. Strengthening local governance via federalism and adopting e-governance platforms like the Subnational Treasury Regulatory Application are key. Bureaucracy, evolving from Weber's model to digital governance, is crucial for bridging policy and people, ensuring a citizen-centric, transparent administration.